Now this is a boy who is playing an instrument. It is Jal Tarang. You might have seen this instrument in some function where there are different containers which are filled with water. So here this instrument can be made. You can take glasses, fill them with different quantity of water. He has arranged the glass where the glass which is on one side is having less water and one side is having more water. So what is being done here, one side has more water and another side is having less water. Now when you hit the glasses, then it is seen that they produce sound. This sound varies because of the different quantity of water in the glasses. The glass which is having less water will have more air in it and its sound will be flat, and the glass which is having more water will have less air column, so its sound will be different. So this is a simple instrument which is called Jal Tarang, and this is just described where sound is produced due to vibration. What vibrates in the Jal Tarang is the vibration is caused when you hit the instrument, the air which is above the water vibrates. At home you might have seen that if you open the tap and put a bucket under it and you don't stand near the bucket but you are in another room and the tap is on, water fills it, you can come to know that water is being filled and when is the bucket full. How do you come to know without seeing it also? Because as the water fills in the bucket, the sound keeps on changing, and when the water is full in the bucket, then the sound also changes because the air column above the water decreases. The same concept is used in Jal Tarang. When we pluck the string of an instrument, then like in the sitar, the sound we hear is because of the vibration of the wire. The instrument is forced to vibrate. Now in every musical instrument, wire instrument, string instrument, you will see that there is a small area which is hollow. It is called the sound box. So this sound box vibrates and produces sound. When we strike the membrane of a mridangam or a dholak or tabla, then the sound is produced because of vibration of the membrane or the layer, and there is empty space under the membrane which is having air which vibrates. So if there is no wind air box, if there is no sound box in an instrument, in a guitar also you might have seen, then the sound will be not visible. So this sound box is important to hear the sound. So in every musical instrument there is the instrument which vibrates and which produces sound. The sound we hear is because of the vibration of the sound box which is fitted in the instrument.